German Research Center for Geosciences (GFC) reported a magnitude 5.2 quake in Chile near Constitucion, Talca, Maule Region, only 12 minutes ago. The earthquake hit early morning on Saturday, November 5, 2022, at 2:57 a.m. local time at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, which listed it as a magnitude 5.2 earthquake as well. A third agency, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center (EMSC), reported the same quake at magnitude 5.3. Based on the preliminary seismic data, the quake should not have caused any significant damage but was probably felt by many people as light vibration in the area of the epicenter.